Hello students, welcome back to our channel with new thoughts and golden ambitions. In last lesson we learned about our universe. Today we are going to learn about the solar system in detail. So listen carefully. Let's start. Children, do you know what is the solar system? The sun, 8 planets, asteroids, comets and all the heavenly bodies that move around the sun collectively called them solar system. The sun is at the center of the solar system and all other planets revolve around the sun. Let's study all about solar system. The sun. The sun lies at the center of the solar system. It is the huge ball of hot and burning gases. It is the largest celestial body in the solar system. It is the nearest star to the earth. Due to its nearness to the earth, it seems bigger. It is the greatest source of energy for the earth. The light from the sun takes nearly 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach to the earth. Planets. The planets are solid heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Most planets move around the sun from west to east, but only Venus and Uranus move from east to west. There are 8 planets in the solar system. The planets do not have their own heat and light. They get heat and light from the sun. Let us learn more about planets. Mercury. Mercury is the innermost planet. It is the closest planet to the sun. Mercury does not have any satellite. It is the fastest moving planet. We can see it with our naked eyes at morning or evening twilight. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. Venus. Venus does not have any satellite. It is also known as morning or evening star. Unlike other planets, it rotates from east to west. Venus is the second planet from the sun. The Earth. Children, the Earth is also called the blue planet because 3/4 of its surface is covered with water. It has one satellite called the Moon. It is a unique planet of the solar system because it provides favorable conditions required for living things. Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one full round around the sun. Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. It is the third planet from the sun and referred to as a world. It is estimated that it was formed 4.54 billion years ago. Mars. Mars is also called the red planet because it assumes a brick-like color in night sky. Mars has 2 satellites named Deimos and Phobos. It is the 4th planet from the sun and can be seen from Earth with the naked eye. Like the Earth, Mars has thin atmosphere and polar ice caps. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It has 63 satellites. It is the 5th planet from the sun. Saturn. It is the second largest planet in the solar system and the sixth planet from the Sun. It has about 22 satellites. Titan is the largest satellite. It can be seen with naked eye. Uranus. Like the Venus, it revolves from east to west. It is the seventh planet from the Sun. It has about 17 satellites. It is one of the most coldest planet. It is the third largest planet and is visible to naked eyes. Neptune. Neptune is the furthest and eighth planet from the Sun. It has 13 satellites. It is one of the coldest planet in the solar system. The strongest winds flow here with the speed at 21,000 km per hour. So children, this is all about solar system, Sun and 8 planets. Revise this lesson. So this was all for today. If you like